So we'll be very brief. This is Science Studio, where we learn the internal body organs. So grade 6, which one do you do in grade 6? You can see here.
The heart.
The heart.
The human.
All this one is under human. So which one to be specific? These are systems. Like the teeth, urinary system, respiratory system, female parts. I mean, the female reproductive parts, the digestive system. This is under circulatory system, specifically the heart. And then there is the human skeleton. Good. So which system? You've talked of the heart, which is falling under the circulatory system, and then the female reproductive system. Most boys when they come here, they ask me, "Teacher, where is ours?" Again, what they do is very funny. They want to touch it. Now, I will ask you. Let me now, today I will ask, between the heart and the female reproductive system, which one do you want us to put?
The heart.
Why? Why the heart? I know the heart. You have a challenge there, isn't it? In a single word, every school is always asking the heart. Now, this is the heart. And we said the heart is falling under the circulatory system. So the first question I will ask you, circulatory system is made up of what? There are three. One. Huh? The blood, good. Two. The heart. Try again, man. Try again. This is my way I want to try. You said the heart and you said the blood. There's one more remaining. Blood vessels. So we have those three. We have the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. Now the heart is helping in what? In pumping the blood. Actually, we talk of the circulation of blood in our body. Is engineered by the heart. Of course, we are told that blood is circulated throughout your whole body parts, including your head, your brain, and everywhere. So what does the is the what? Is the heart. And how we know that that is happening? Sometimes when you do an exercise, you will feel that your heartbeat is up faster. The faster the heartbeat, the faster the flow of blood. That is it. Yes. So we want to see, first of all, we are going to start with an activity. Then from that activity, we are going to do some brief explanation on how blood flows in and out of the heart. Auricle vein. Right. Unatumia right hand. So ajana ile confusion kama vile unakuja hapa like this. You tell it like that with a paper. You have a paper in examples. So you have a paper in front of you. So you want to turn the paper. You turn the paper and also turn it. Just do a simple thing like this. So I've said all the arteries does what? Receives blood. That is a confusion that you have. All the ventricles does what? Kazi ya hizi zote ziko hapa. You should not be labor. You should not see chambers coming here. These ones are blood what? Blood vessels. The 4 blood vessels. Now, what the blood vessels have said their work is to allow in and out of, they allow blood in and out of the heart. The blood that comes from our body, from our head, gets into the heart. When it is poor in oxygen, then the first blood that comes into the heart, why not? Oxygen. That one means it does not have oxygen. We call it oxygenated blood. That is blood that has no oxygen. So that blood gets into the heart, and then it will be received by what? By an auricle. Then a ventricle, one of them will pump it out. Inaenda wapi? Inaenda wapi? Inaenda kwa lungs. Why? That blood is going to be mixed with what? Oxygen. Then it is brought back to the heart. So ikirudi from the lungs, inaitwaje? Oxygenated blood, because it has oxygen.
Brother and sister, okay? The two of you come. Aria, don't waste time. Last time to come here. My teacher. You are teacher. Now teacher. Teacher Neema. Very nice teacher Neema. I'm happy to see you today. You are not happy to see me. Thank you, madam. Shika hizi. Umeshika nini? Shika hizi. Umeshika nini? Hold the small stone on your right hand. The big on your left. Between the stones held on the right hand and those held on the left hand, which ones will sink in water? The small one will sink. Will sink. Why? It's material, madam is right. Madam Tanya. Sasa mtu wengine ndogo, sione kama itasinga ama itafloat. Na wewe? The big one, and not a little faster. Just slowly. I'm disappointed they are not floating. So the stones are sinking because of the material. Shika. Those are things you are holding. I don't know what they are. What are they? Wood. What are they? Wood. My friend, that's a piece of wood. Will this piece of wood float or sink on water? Float. Float on water. Sink. Float. Sink. Float. Sink. Float. All of them well. Will they sink or float? Float. Try with yours. Yours will sink. Slowly. Allah. This one is disappointing. And yours? Why do you think the pieces of wood are floating on water? Because of the material. Because of the material. Very nice. Hold this. You seem that you know. I know. My friend Shikai. Sawa, very nice. What are you holding? What are you holding? Show them what you are holding. What has happened to one of the bottle tops? It has been crushed. Which one here will float? And the ingine? This one? Share. Because of that? Share, material. Let me remove the piece of wood. Slowly. Floating or singing? Because of the shape. But the two are metallic. Why are they not singing? If I take those two names, I put them there, they will sing. Why are they not singing and they are metallic there? Because of the this. If you change the shape, they will sing. Put things there. Slowly. Oh, man, why is it singing and the other is floating? Because you have changed the shape. So shape is another factor that affects floating and see. Are we together? Nice. Kuna kitu hujafanya madam. You know what you are holding. What is that she is holding? A razor blade. Will a razor blade float or sink? Float. Make it float. Good. It is floating. What the reason as to why it is floating? Because of the shape. Because of the shape. Can it sing? Can it sing? Are you sure? Yes. Can it sing? Come and make it sing. Thank you, teachers. Kuja rakaraka. Stand there. Make it sing. Just make it sing the water. Don't touch it. It's okay. Make it sing. Yes, cover it. Just don't use anything else. It will sing. You are right, it will sing. Without adding anything. Make it sing. Actually, it is singing. Why is it singing now? Sit down. Why is it singing now? I'm confused. These are the reasons. One, it floats because of the shape. If you like blood, it will float. Why? Because of the, at the same time, it can sink because of the material. It is metallic. Now it is sinking because it is metal, because of the material. See? It was floating because of the shape. Application of floating and sinking. Ship. Do you know a ship? It floats on water in the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Red Sea, one or Israel. Walipoenda huko Misri, wakitoka huko wapitia Red Sea wakanyanga on a dry ground. Unaona? Nani anatembea? Kutembea hapa juu ya maji. Nani alitembea juu ya maji? Hakujui nani alitembea juu ya maji? Oh, very nice. Sasa a reservoir can float and sink. One, can float because of the shape. Can sink because of the mark. Finally, I want to prove you wrong. Somebody told me that size, not size affects floating and sinking. Sindio, the same as mass. Mass and size do not affect floating and sinking. Which one is heavier than the other? That is mass. Sindio, this is mass. Sister, sit upright. This is mass. Sindio, will this thing all float? Will float. These are metals. Sink float. They both two of them will sink. Why? Because of material. But they are not of the same size. Do size affect floating and sinking? Does size affect floating and sinking? No. The answer is no. Does it affect floating and sinking? Does size affect floating and sinking? This is small, this is big, but both will sink in water. Why? Because of material, but not size. Neither the